Raj Kundra has been obviously arrested in this porn case where he has been allegedly shooting porn films. अब भारत के अंदर क्या लॉज है? Is there any clarity about such kind of laws? Because इतना पता है कि porn शूट करना भारत के अंदर इलीगल है. मगर आप देखेंगे कि बहुत सारे वेबसाइट्स हैं, इंस्टाग्राम हो, फेसबुक हो, यहाँ पर ट्विटर भी हो. दीज आर ऑब्वियसली इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म्स, मगर यहाँ पर भी हम बहुत न्यूडिटी देखते हैं. भारत के अंदर इन प्लेटफॉर्म्स को ऑब्वियसली बैन नहीं किया गया है. सो यू सी न्यूडिटी ऑन दीज प्लेटफॉर्म्स विच आर सीन इन इंडिया. इसके अलावा देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ प्लेटफॉर्म्स जहां पर आप देखेंगे कि बहुत बी ग्रेड पॉर्न दिखाई दिया जाता है विच इज ऑब्वियसली शॉट इन इंडिया. तो porn is shot in India. Now, yes, it should not be shot in India, but illegally it is shot in India. So we need to have clearer laws. क्योंकि laws क्या है अभी भी हमारे देश के अंदर clear नहीं है. कोई भी कहीं से भी FIR दर्ज कर देता है and people get arrested, picked up. So life is great in India still after 70 years of independence. I'm not here supporting Raj Kundra at all because whatever is wrong. But I am just asking the general thought process when we want to shame one person because that person has done something which is illegal. But then in India there are so many illegal things that are there. There are so many illegal buildings. There are so many illegal societies. There is so much of corruption. And still we don't talk about it, but we talk about somebody which is obviously a little bit known because he's related to Bollywood or cricket or some other profession where he is a high profile person. That person should not do anything wrong. I am not saying कि आप कुछ गलत करिए, मगर I would just expect कि after 70 years of independence we need to have clearer laws and we need to have politicians who are educated as well as who implement what they preach. Politicians खुद कितना illegal काम करते हैं. I'm not going to side any one party now. Politicians belonging to various parties do illegal work. Apparently there are corruption charges on most of the politicians, but they are politicians. There are criminal charges on most of the politicians, but they are politicians. आप मुझे बताइए ये सब क्यों allowed है इंडिया के अंदर? We say Congress has done so much of corruption. Then there are politicians who have transferred from Congress to BJP. So big difference. They are the same human beings. So let's try to understand the jad, the root problem of everything. The root problem of everything is that in India we think that our shit does not smell. Uski shit smelly hai, but hamari shit smelly nahi hai. That thought process needs to change. I hope everybody gets justice and new kind of clear laws are framed in India. I obviously believe that porn is wrong. You should not promote porn. But I also want to expose those big people who back porn stars like Sunny Leon, bring her to India and try to promote her as a Sati Savitri and say that that was a part of her past life. Excuse me, you still have her website online. What are you trying to sell? What fake story are you trying to sell? So obviously Indian girls get inspired. They think कि अगर वो कर सकती है तो हम भी कर सकते हैं. Now that is where they go wrong because in India, when they do something like this, they get arrested, and somebody who has been doing it all her life and has become famous because of that doesn't do it in India but does it abroad and comes to India and wears sari and adopts children, then she becomes a good woman, then that brainwashes the Indian girls. So I feel sad for them. क्योंकि उनकी भी कोई मजबूरी हुई होगी to do this kind of work. कोई बगैर मजबूरी तो ऐसा काम करता नहीं है. And that is where we all go wrong because we think that they are bad people. They are not bad people. We are bad people because we encourage this kind of dirt and we promote this kind of dirt and we don't want to point fingers on us, on our people. The moment we find a weaker person on whom we can put the blame, we say that that person is bad. That is where I say we are wrong. If something is illegal in India, then it is illegal for everybody. If something is bad, then it is bad in general. You cannot say that Videshi porn star is better and Indian porn star is not good. That is a wrong mindset. That is a slave mindset. So ये जो thought process है, इसको address करते हुए मैंने ये video बनाया. I really don't know what's going to be the turn of events. Raj Kundra is obviously Shilpa Shetty's husband and Shilpa Shetty is known to PMO. So she will figure it out. He will figure it out. They will figure it out. But I feel sad for girls who get trapped thinking that they can become the next Sunny Leon in India. No, they cannot. And that is why I feel very, very sad for them because they get branded wrongly, they get typecast wrongly, and then some of them even get arrested for such charges. So that is really, really very sad.